New here at 6, it's one of the biggest questions about the vaccine rollout. Should certain racial groups who are most at risk get the vaccine first?
Black and Hispanic people are almost 3 times as likely to die from COVID-19. That's according to the CDC. KCTV5 stands for you, and our Leslie Aguilar dug into the question on both sides of the state line.
Right now, we are at least a few weeks away from moving on from phase 1 of the vaccine distribution, which of course just includes frontline workers. As more doses become available, it seems Kansas is planning on prioritizing minority groups, and Missouri isn't sure yet. Throughout 2020, we've all heard the phrase, "we're all in this together," over and over. Yet some populations are harder hit by COVID-19. In Kansas City, Missouri, the death rate for Hispanic and Black people soars high above whites, though white people are more often hospitalized. The health department website acknowledges inequity, saying with already less access to health care and more often than not receipt of lower quality health care than their white counterparts, Black, Asian, and Hispanic residents have often tested positive for the disease, been hospitalized, and have higher death rates due to COVID-19. We checked the vaccine plans for both Kansas and Missouri. Kansas includes racial and ethnic minority groups as a critical population, along with people who are 65 and older or people with disabilities. The critical population group is set to receive the vaccine in phase 2, before the general population. Missouri's plan is less clear. Their website shows phase 2 is for populations at increased risk, but minorities are not in the list of those included. We reached out to the state and got a statement that says they are holding weekly meetings with an advisory committee to ensure equitable distribution, and also just received further guidance from federal partners yesterday regarding priority groups. The CDC guidance on vaccine distribution does recommend that states take vulnerable ethnic minority groups into consideration. It's unclear when Kansas or Missouri will move on to phase 2, where people other than frontline workers can get a vaccine. Leslie Aguilar, KCTV5 News.